Question 5. A company made a profit of £20,000 in its first year of trading, year 1. A model for future trading predicts that the yearly profit will increase by 8% each year, so that the yearly profits will form a geometric sequence. According to the model, show that the profit for year 3 will be 23,328. Well, we are told that the yearly profits will form a geometric sequence. So with a geometric sequence, it is useful to have our first term. In this case, the first profit here is 20,000 from year 1 trading. And a geometric sequence has a ratio, so an amount that gets multiplied by each year. In this case, it's increasing 8% each year. That means my R value is a value of 1.08. This is an increase of 8% each year. I know that the nth term in a geometric sequence is written as UN is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. I want to find U3 for the profit at the end of year 3. So U3 will be 20,000 times 1.08 squared, that's 3 minus 1, which is 23,328, the value I want to show. Part B, find the first year when the yearly profit will exceed £65,000. So I'm looking for some year, I'm going to call X, where the value of this profit exceeds 65,000. Using my formula from before, I can see that the UX term is A, 20,000 times my R, 1.08, to the power X minus 1. And I want this to be greater than 65,000. If I divide by 20,000, that means I'm looking for 1.08 to the power X minus 1 to be greater than 3.25. I'm going to take logs of both sides of this equation so that I can use the log rule of log A to the B is equal to B log A. So in this case, log 1.08 to the X minus 1 is the same as X minus 1 times log 1.08. And this is greater than log of 3.25. Dividing both sides by log 1.08, I've got that my X minus 1 is greater than log 3.25 over log 1.08, which on my calculator gives me a value of X minus 1 being greater than 15.31 and so on. This means X is greater than 16.31. Again, I'm looking for the year when the profit exceeds. So I'm looking for an integer value, and so it will exceed 65,000 in year 17. Part C. Find the total profit for the first 20 years of trading, giving your answer to the nearest £1,000. For this, I recommend looking in your formula booklet, and I've done a little cut and paste here. So my sum of, in this case, n will be 20 years, will be the first year times 1 minus r to the power 20 over 1 minus r. So if I substitute in the values I have, n is 20, a is 20,000 and r is 1.08. Putting this into my calculator, I get a value of 915,239.286. And so to the nearest £1,000, the first 20 years of trading gives me £915,000.